Ahead of Delhi Assembly polls, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to address the Parivartan rally in the national capital area, Rohini. And you can see the visuals behind me that the preparations are undergoing right now for the PM to arrive here. And all the BJP leaders will be present here. And we can say that this is a Shankhnad by the Bharatiya Janata Party ahead of the Assembly polls. And all the big preparations are being done right now. You can see the preparations that is going on here at Rohini. A lot of Karyakartas, BJP leaders and the public will be gathering here, and Prime Minister will address this public rally. And several various projects will also be announced and inaugurated by the Prime Minister in this Parivartan rally, including 12,200 crore projects which will be presented to the people of Delhi. And this can be thought as a game changer. This can be turned out to be a game changer rather in the Assembly polls. We'll like to show you the visuals behind us also, that the preparation is done, the pandal is all ready, and after some time when the PM will arrive, before that all the public, all the Karyakartas will be here, and the public has started gathering around in the pandal to hear the Prime Minister, and Prime Minister and Bharatiya Janata Party will start and will do a Shankhnad of theirs from this rally for the Delhi Assembly polls, and various projects will be also inaugurated and announced by the Prime Minister in this Parivartan rally, including several metro projects and several road projects and the linking road projects. So all these projects are worth rupees 12,200 crores. So yes, this can be turned out to be a game changer, as BJP versus Aam Aadmi Party versus Congress. This election has turned out to be a triangular elections right now, and BJP has already released the first list of the candidates, and after releasing that list, BJP is all set to address a big rally in Rohini right now, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address this public rally in this big pandal. And before that, he will also inaugurate some various projects in the national capital also. And this can be said that these are some of the gifts that BJP will be offering to the people of the national capital. So yes, now the preparations for Assembly polls is all set, and BJP is on their front foot right now to contest these elections, because BJP plans to win Delhi this time. With camera person Himanshu, I'm Mendi Garg for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.